Hey, it's Aran here. In this tutorial on New Zenler, we're going to discuss how to change the word community to something else in the menu. So you go to New Zenler, you click on site, then you need to go to languages. Once you're in languages, you will see this area where you can actually change a lot of the different details that are set up in a way where that's how it's displayed and it looks like you can't change it, but this is where you actually change it. So what you do is click on Command F if you're on Mac, type the word community, and then you'll see it right here. Now, once I change this to, let's say, announcement, then the membership or the website that I have will say announcement. Now, I'm not going to do that. It's just that that question came from this particular website and they wanted to change this word from community to announcement. So this is where you go. Just search for it and then click on save. Once it's done, it should be all good the way you want it to be, and so on. There's a lot of other things here that you can change. So for example, if you want to not say my courses right here, you want it to be something different, you can also change that as well. There's other things you can change. I strongly advise you to be very cautious before touching this and knowing it is what you're doing and really making sure you want to do this, because this is not something that you can customize between the page. It will be working by default on your entire website. Hope that helps, and I'll speak to you soon.